The organization of PHARMAP 2021 was done in a very simple and effective way. The setup was pretty intuitive. It was fairly easy to find what you needed, and there was a good guidance between all the steps, good personal guidance on where to go, how to arrange meetings and so forth. My impression of the event in general was that there was a strong list of participants also sharing very good experiences from real life of what is happening in the pharma industry, which made it worthwhile to attend it, definitely. The networking opportunity was as good as it can get in a virtual setting. Personally, I prefer to have, you can say, a handshake and looking the people in the eye that you're working with or potentially working with. But in a virtual setting, I think this is as close as we could get. Personally, I had, I think it was 7 meetings outside the actual presentations, which was useful. Regarding the business program, the overall content was well structured. There was very good insights for me, having the role that I have in Nordisk, and made it easy for me to select and choose good presentations from industry peers. My objectives with the fair was to get insights in what our industry peers are doing, what is new, what is happening in the industry and in the surroundings, and get a feel for that, and also, of course, to some extent, benchmark that up against what we're doing ourselves. And of course, we do not get around everything, but the information that I got was definitely fulfilling that purpose, getting an understanding of how far our peers have come in the industry and what is moving fast right now.